Hey everybody, welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making the AM and Lemonade. This is the paired cocktail for the August 2015 Vinyl Me Please featured album, AM by Wilco. Let's begin. We'll start by quartering 3 lemons. I like to cut the ends off of my lemons. I think they look better in the pitcher. Also be sure to scrub your lemons well before placing them in your pitcher because you don't know how dirty these things can get and you don't want that ending up in your cocktail. Once all 3 lemons have been cut, place them in a large pitcher. Then add plenty of ice, followed by some sugar. I used about a tablespoon. You of course could use more or less, but whatever you do, don't add too much sugar at this point because it's easy to add more once you get a taste of the finished cocktail. It's a lot harder to take that sugar back out. Now we add 1.5 liters of Topo Chico Mineral Water. This is a 750 milliliter bottle, so 2 of them will equal 1.5 liters. Now this particular brand is a favorite of Jeff Tweedy, who is the lead singer and frontman of Wilco. Topo Chico can be hard to find, so if you can't find it, you can always substitute a carbonated mineral water of your choice. Now we stir everything together, making sure that the sugar is fully dissolved. Now finally, we grab a glass, add some ice, and pour the contents of the pitcher. Now at this point, you could serve it as is, or if you want, you could spike it up by adding 1.25 ounces of TITO'S vodka. Now I like to garnish with a lemon wheel and serve with a straw. And there you have the AM and Lemonade. Let's see how it tastes. That is nice. You could almost, with this pitcher, add a little bit more sugar, maybe another tablespoon, and I think it'd be perfect. As it is though, it's very refreshing. I like how the vodka, it's not being overpowered in here. There's enough dilution with the mineral water and just a hint of lemon. And it's not lemonade like us Americans are used to. It's a much more mineral water heavy, much more heavy on the soda. So I encourage you guys to make your own. As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I am your Vinyl Geek and I'll catch you on the flip side.